Well, good morning.
Good morning.
We're leaving our sandy spot here.
Sandy, gravelly.
Yeah.
Don't drive into it.
Yeah, as I mentioned, this is not...
you don't go here in a car.
You don't go here. Well, in a two-wheel drive car. All-wheel drive, maybe. I wouldn't do it. I would want four-wheel drive.
We're heading down to the Tufa.
The Tufa.
Tufa.
So yeah, I flew the drone this morning. Unfortunately, I mean, it's probably going to be fairly short because there wasn't a whole lot to photograph. Yeah, well, it turned out when I flew the drone, I mean, from where we were, we figured, oh, maybe a quarter mile down to the water. Yeah, that wasn't the case. I flew out as far as I felt like I could legally fly. And I still had probably more than that. I'm guessing it was probably well over a mile down to the water from where we were. So, Carol said, we're off to the Tufa. So we will see you at the Tufa.
The Tufa.
At the Tufa. Well, one thing about traveling the back roads and just trying to find out things of what to do and where to go, and boondocking is you run certain risks. And I just bought brand new tires. These tires were over $300 a piece. Oh, I mean, it was probably closer to $350 after balancing and everything else. And as we were driving down the road,
felt funky.
it sounded really weird. And but right here, we sliced the sidewall on one of those burnt trees, I guess. So we get to wait for about an hour or so. I don't know if Carol's gotten any communication from our changing tire people.
20 minutes.
All right. We are going to be starting our walk out to the Tufa. Carol's got to take
the seagull.
a zillion photos of a seagull. Okay, so let's take a look here. And again, feel free to stop and read. Various birds they have. Let's see here. They don't show a rattlesnake, just a gopher snake. Again, feel free to stop it.
Oh, there's wild horses out here, I think. I saw plenty of evidence they're here.
So, in the Tufa, it's amazing, these structures, really. We're going to come up to, and we can see it here as I kind of rotate around, I think, kind of far off there. We're going to be coming to the densely populated area of Tufa out here. Actually, I'm going to go out to the water. Well, it is definitely aromatic here. One of the things I noticed out here when I was here before was you'd almost see a black area, and when you get near it, it was flies. All right, so here's a huge fly colony. I don't know if I'll get up and fly here. I may have seen that. All right, so we're now walking into this Tufa. Just amazing, isn't it? Some of it kind of reminds me of the sculpture at Thunder Mountains, huh? Wow, look at that big crack. this one. Okay, well, let's walk around this way. Yeah, look at all that. It's almost like a chicken head. All right, let's go over here. Pretty cool from this side. And think it's just, you know, freshwater seeps mixing and creating this stuff.
The Osprey nest?
Now, where's that?
It's right on top of one of those big fat pinnacles there. I wish to get a couple pictures of the Osprey in it.
Oh, I see it from a distance.
Yeah.
I don't know from here how well I'll get it. But it's right there on the right edge and top of that tufa in the center. Carol said she got a picture with the Osprey in it, so hopefully I can insert that here. There's like a cool little cave in there. Give you a perspective here. A little cave cut back there. Oh, look at that. That's pretty.